If you want to feel the power of nature, if you want to feel the power of all the mountains, all the real flowers, all the real trees, all the real goodiness, all the real citrusiness, all the real and pure botanical scent, to feel all the truly and pure and all the goodness that gives us nature, please go to Aroma Laboratory. We have a Christmas candle with natural scent, natural soy. We work with soy without GMO, without pesticides. We are real, truly natural. So you will feel all the benefits in your home. If you, for example, give a nice fragrance, you will feel all the wellness in your body. If you, for example, use a cream, a body oil, whatever you use from Aroma Laboratory, always is natural and organic and healthy and exquisite, because true fragrances, true cosmetics are always natural and healthy, and also gives you the power to go on to improve your performance and to feel better. So this Christmas, please give Aroma Laboratory fragrances and perfumes and cosmetics. This is the best choice. Thank you very much.